Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the wiper blades. I bought these ones already for 150 Rand from Midas, which is really cheap for Bosch, and I'm going to show you how to change the wipers right now. It's pretty obvious for my car that I need to replace the wipers. I'll show you now. So you can see it wipes quite clean that side, but on this side it leaves so many streaks, and trust me, at night when it's raining it's not safe, and you can also hear the wipers make a lot of noise, which I hate. So yeah, time to change the wipers. I think I said this before, but the previous owner of this car was a bit of a moron, and you can see even in his wiper choice, it's one of these aftermarket just crappy ones that you find on the side of the street. Now this one is also aftermarket, but it's so much better than this. You can see this one is just tearing off, and yeah, it's not good. Okay, so let's go ahead and change that. So all we got to do, it's quite simple. Just push it down like so. It's a little bit more difficult to do with one hand, but it's fairly simple still. Yeah, so that's how you do it. You literally pull it down and then navigate it out of the way. Throw that crap away. Now the wiper sizes are different. That one is longer than this side. Let's see. So 550 millimeters and 500 millimeters. So the shorter one goes on the right hand side of the car, or the driver's side. So yeah, let's get to that. So these wipers, like I said, they were 150 Rand, which is really cheap compared to places like even eBay. Normally eBay is cheapest for things like this. But yeah, Midas, well done Midas, especially for a decent brand like this. Bosch can just focus. Yeah. Okay, so it's very simple to put the wiper back. It's the same way that I took the rubbish one out. So just reversal. Now it's going to be a little bit more tricky for me because I'm using one hand, but yeah, for you guys it'll be a lot easier. So yeah, let's try and get, oh, there you go. Got that in. So I hope you can see that this is part of the wiper arm. It needs to just go in that groove. Quite simple. And then we just push it up. Use some force. I hope you heard that clicky noise. That means it's locked into place. And then yeah, just drop it down and do the same thing for that side. So I don't need to record that because it's going to be exactly the same as this side. So I'll just show you the results afterwards. Okay, and there you have it. Wiping super clean. As you can see, no more streaks. Okay, so as you can see, the wipers are working perfectly, and yeah, it's a very easy job and something that everyone should attempt themselves just to save some money. So yeah, if you like the video, please like it and share it and subscribe. You can click here to subscribe and click here to watch a video between this car, the BMW E46, versus that car, the BMW E90.